Hello everyone. Start off by tying up 3 rubber bands together in such a way that it looks like bunny ears. Now add a section on one of the sides, tie this rubber band to it. Underneath it, add 3 more sections. Then take out a section at the back, add multiple rubber bands and make 2 ponytails at the bottom. Now take out a section from the front, add a rubber band to it, add multiple sections underneath it. Make a section out of the back and then make 2 braids out of this. Tie a ponytail on either side. Make 6 sections at the top as such. Divide each of these sections into 2 parts and then join each of them together. Now roll each of these sections in on themselves as such. Now taking the center section, begin to divide each of it and once again join it. Now add thread to them and then afterwards make a braid using 2 strands of thread as well as the rest of the hair into it. This is what it should begin to look like. Do this for all 6 sections that you have created. Now once you reach the bottom, you may tie a rubber band to it so that it stays. Take a section from the front, add a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself, do this on either side. Now pull the hair through the top, make this puffy section. Make 2 more sections underneath it, roll each of these sections in on themselves, add thread to the middle section to begin with. Using the thread as one of the sections, make a braid out of the top and bottom section. Next, we'll start off by combing the hair, make 2 sections, one at the top, one at the bottom. In the bottom portion, make 2 braids, fold it over and then join it to the top. Now, take a bun stick and then use it on the top ponytail, wrap the hair around the bun stick and then use a decorative rubber band. Start off by tying a ponytail, then make a braid out of part of the ponytail, add a section to the middle of it, roll the hair in on itself, lift it up in order to make this bow-like shape. Add multiple rubber bands to the middle. Next, take a section out from the front and then make multiple sections in the side as such. Now take a section at the back, roll the section of the hair in on itself, make 2 braids out of it, join it all together in a ponytail. Next, take a section from the front, make 2 braids out of this and then join them to the scalp as such. Make a braid at the base as well, joining everything together and roll it up. Now start off by making 5 sections out of the hair, taking the central portion, divide it into multiple parts and then begin to make multiple sections out of it on either side as such. We have started from the right side and we have added multiple rubber bands. Do the same on the other side. Thank you for watching.